Exposing the essence of day 2 in Ramadan, it's all about adapting and deepening your faith. By the second day of Ramadan, many Muslims start adjusting to the fasting schedule. The body begins adapting to long hours without food and water, and energy levels may fluctuate as the body shifts into fasting mode. As the initial excitement settles, focus turns inward. Prayers become more heartfelt, the Quran is read with deeper understanding, and the connection with Allah strengthens. This is when spiritual discipline truly begins. The Prophet Muhammad, PBUH, emphasized patience and gratitude during fasting. Breaking the fast with dates and water, a practice still cherished today, highlights simplicity and gratefulness. Ramadan is also a time of generosity. Mosques and charitable organizations start arranging iftar meals for the less fortunate, embodying the spirit of sharing and community. Health-wise, your body begins detoxifying, using stored fats for energy, and reducing inflammation. Though mild fatigue or headaches might occur, it's a sign of your body adjusting. Ramadan fosters unity among Muslims worldwide. By day 2, the communal spirit is palpable through prayers, iftar gatherings, and late-night Taraweeh prayers. Day 2 of Ramadan, a journey of faith, fasting, and community.